Meaning of freak of nature.
Freak of nature.
Freak of nature.
Freak of nature.
Freak of nature. The phrase freak of nature refers to something or someone that is unusual, unexpected, or abnormal in a way that defies explanation or understanding. It is often used to describe something that is rare or extraordinary, and can also refer to people who possess some unique or outstanding qualities that set them apart from the norm. In essence, it describes an event, situation, or person that seems almost inexplicable, and which elicits a sense of awe, wonder, or sometimes even fear in those who witness it.